Hello everyone, today I'm back again with another class for class 10. So today's topic is linking spreadsheet data. If you are new to my class, then myself Jasmine Ahmed, I am your educator for class 9 and class 10 information technology. Okay, so we have already discussed multiple choice question, we have already discussed fill in the blanks and true and false. Today we will discuss answer the following question or the question answer of NCRT book. Okay, name the two ways to link the sheet in a LibreOffice Calc. Two ways to insert the sheet in a LibreOffice Calc. Okay, the two ways to link the sheet in a LibreOffice Calc are how? Creating reference to other sheet or document by using keyboard and mouse. By using the keyboard and mouse. In keyboard, what happens? We use the path name, then file name, then sheet name, then the cell address. This was the format. So what is the format? Path name, file name, then sheet name, then the cell address. Okay. For example, there are two sheet. There are two sheet. So this is for example one sheet. Another sheet is also open. So the path name, the path of the that particular spreadsheet application, then the file name, where it is stored, that is the path name, in which folder it is, which drive, which folder it is stored, that is called the path name. Then the file name, name of the file. For example, what is the name of the file? It is untitled one. Okay, so the name of the file. After that, what? The sheet name, which sheet it belongs to, the cell that you are referencing, which sheet is belongs to. For example, my sheet. Okay, after that, what happens? After my sheet, which cell, from which cell you are referencing, that cell address. So this is done by using what? By using the keyboard. And by mouse, how you are creating that? By mouse, you are using only a single equal to. You write how? For example, in this sheet, if you want to reference, you will type equal to, sorry. So in this sheet, you will type what? Equal to. Then if you want to reference from this sheet, in the last class we have discussed about G5. So this is the format. Okay, dollar, then single quote. Why single quote is used? We have already discussed, as here is one space in the sheet name, my space sheet. So it will be considered as single word by using this single quote. Okay, if there will be no space between the word, then this single quote will not appear. Okay, this single quote will not appear. So equal to, come to this sheet. Okay, this is referencing. So by using mouse, how we do? We will have to type equal to in the keyboard only. After typing equal to, we will just click on that area. This is by using mouse. Another is by linking external data. Okay, by linking how this external data is being used, we will in the next question we will move on. Okay, next is, what is the difference between relative and absolute hyperlink? In the last class already I have discussed about relative hyperlink. In relative hyperlink, what happens? Both the start application and the target application will reside in the same folder. That means both are in the same box. If you are moving, for example, the target to another folder, or you are moving, or you are shifting the start to the another folder, the link will break. That is called relative hyperlink. So in relative hyperlink, the target and the start both remains in the same location relative to each other. Very true. If the start and target location change relative to each other, a relative link will stop. If you move anyone, if you move the target, if you move the source or start from that particular folder to another folder, if you are shifting, if you are moving, then the link will break. In absolute, what happened? In absolute, only if the target is moved. If you are moving the source, it will not affect, because target location is in the same place. Okay, target is in the same position. But if you are accidentally moving the target, then it will definitely affect the link. It will definitely break the hyperlink between the source and the target. This is the difference between relative. But in relative, what happens? In relative, you are moving the start also, because they both wants to be in the same location. Both the target and the start both wants to be in the same location. If you are moving any one, it will break. But in absolute hyperlink, what happens? If you are moving only the target, then only it will break. If you are moving the source to another place, it will not break, because target is in the location. The URL that is been used, the path that is been used is in the same location. So until and unless you are moving the target to different location, the hyperlink will be absolutely in the position, otherwise it will break. So absolute hyperlink is basically used in internet. Okay. Right step to extract a table from web page in a spreadsheet. How you can extract table from web page in a sheet? So internet is a rich source of information. We all know what is internet. So in internet, what happened? There are many abundance of information available, which is stored in the form of web pages. So the pages, in the web browser, what happened? If you type Facebook, then the Facebook have many pages. Those pages are known as what? Web pages. The web pages are written in what? In HTML document. Okay. Data on a web page can be stored in the form of table. Whatever data you are inserting, that data will be stored how? It will be stored in the form of table. We have studied in database also in the offline class, that how the information are stored. The information are stored in the form of table. So to insert the table from a HTML document, we can use the external data dialog box. So you will have to use the external data dialog box. For that, step you will have to follow? First of all, the step number one, open the spreadsheet where the external data to be opened. For example, this page. If you want to insert external data in this particular page, so you'll have to open that page. Step number two, select insert link to external data. Select which one? Select sheet, not insert. Select sheet, 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 then external link. So click here. Okay. So after clicking here, what happens? The external data dialog box is displayed. Type the URL of the source document or select it from the drag drop list if it is listed, and press enter. So now as my net is off, so I will not be able to connect it. So you will have to do the browse, then go to the website, then copy the URL and paste it over here. Okay. So after that, click on OK. So it will link that page to your this document. Okay. It will link that source, that whatever target is there. For example, any kind of web page you are linking to your document, that will be here available in this untitled one spreadsheet application. So as my net is not on, so I will not be able to show it now. I will show it on later in class. Okay. The external dialog box is displayed. Type the URL of the source. Everything is written here. Import the language. After that, whatever language you want to import, you can import it. Okay. Now, next question. Write steps to register a data source that is in .odb format. Which one is in .odb format? We know LibreOffice base is in .odb format. That means the database. Okay. If you want to register that database to your spreadsheet application, what step you will have to follow? Select tools, option LibreOffice base and database. So let me check. Select tools, options, then LibreOffice base, in LibreOffice base database. Okay. So after that, what step you will have to follow? Click new button to create the database link dialog box. Click on the new button, this new button. After that, browse the database which you want to link here. As there is nothing available right now, so I will not be able to show it. Okay. So you will have to browse from that database area to here. Okay. By clicking on this browse option. Then after that, next step is what? Enter the location of the database file or browse, then type a name to use as the registered name. So whatever name you want to give to that database file, registered name, whatever name you want to give, you can give it. Give valid name, then only you will be able to find it. Okay. After that, click on which button? Click on OK button. Click on OK button. That database which you have connected will be linked to this application, to your which application? Spreadsheet application. So now state advantages of extracting data from a web page into spreadsheet. What is the advantage of extracting web page into your spreadsheet? So it first one is efficiency. It automates the process of data gathering from web page. Directly it is gathering the information from the web page. No one is entering. After linking, what happens? Whatever information is inserted in that web page, it will be directly reflected to your spreadsheet application. Then accuracy, up to date, whatever information is given there, it will automatically be in your spreadsheet application. So it will be up to date and accurate. Okay. So these are some notes related to the chapter. Creating hyperlink, how you can create hyperlink. Go to insert, then hyperlink, then editing a hyperlink. To edit an hyperlink, place the cursor anywhere in the link and right click the hyperlink. The edit hyperlink option will open. After that, after clicking on edit, a dialog box will appear. Whatever changes you want to make, you can make it. Then how you can remove the hyperlink? By using the remove hyperlink option. Okay. So in the next class, we will discuss the next portion very soon. So I hope you all like my video. Okay. If there is any query, you can write it on the comment section. Also subscribe to my channel. So very soon I will start with next class. I will start with share and review spreadsheet. This will be the last session of spreadsheet application. After that, we will start DBMS, database management system, and in a fast forward manner, I will complete all the portion. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.